Hey guys, it's Matt. Welcome to SpeedTutor and welcome to my notepad system version 1.6. And do remember, you can check out the online documentation to get all the updated videos, content, and everything for this setup, and lots of different questions that users have asked. But you can also send me an email if you have any troubles. So this system features 4 styles of notes: basic, reverse, custom, and custom reverse. First of all, and I will go into the settings briefly to show you exactly what they do as well. So the basic, you can either use pictures or you can use specific images that you might have created, and you can set how many pages you have. You have a back button, you have the pages, or you can right click to get off it. And then in this basic example, you have the same thing, but you have the ability to play a piece of audio or then repeat the actual audio if you so wish, or you set that. With the reverse, you have the option to have the same notes, but you can reverse the information which is on the notes, which is based on this image, and you can input the text which would go into here. You have the custom, which is you can specifically set a background and then fill the text in here however you want that to be displayed. You can see that it switches to page 1, 2, 3, and it has the same settings, so you can play an audio clip or you can reverse it. You can press the X, and then you have also custom reverse, which is the same as the others, but you can set the custom text in here and the pop out, which share the exact same things and have different settings for each. This does have a bunch for trigger events, so you can do that on a trigger if you've got a third-person controller, but this just uses a bunch of controllers, UI managers, and different canvases for each one you would choose to use as one generic UI manager, and the rest have just linked up with the specific UIs. And you can see that we have a note selector, which you can set what type of note it is, and then all the settings here with custom inspectors for each, so you can set multiple pages, how you want your pages to look, and how far you want them to go. You can set whether you've got the trigger event, the settings, whether you want to have some audio playback, and it has lots of different examples for each one. Has different custom font settings for ones that you can set the actual text, and there's so many customizations depending on which type of note script that you want, and you can set all the scales, colors, and everything that you need, and they all share across similar settings. If you have any troubles at all, send me an email. I'll add to the documentation and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. So be sure to check out this asset and all the rest of my great scripts and assets on my website to get bonus discounts on them and on the Unity store. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Cheers.